10, 200.
Hi guys, may I know your names and where are you from?
Hi, I'm Raghavendra and I'm from Bangalore.
Hi Raghavendra.
Hi, my name is Rakshit R. Rao and I am from Bangalore.
Hi Rakshit.
Hi, I'm Pranati and I'm from India.
Hi Pranati.
And my name is Shruti and I'm from Ghana. And we are MBA students from RNSIT affiliated to IT.
Nice to know that. What were you guys so excited about?
We are excited about our placements in London Stock Exchange in the beginning of the second semester.
How? You guys are still in second sem, right?
Yeah, even though we are in the second sem, but that doesn't stop us from procuring job opportunities.
Okay, but you guys have to get trained, right?
Yeah, our placement training had started from the first day of our MBA program itself.
And our faculty members trained us and gave us confidence through various student development programs.
It seems to be effective. How did you guys crack the interview?
We have been getting intensive mock interviews by industry professionals.
And this is not a one-time activity. It's a whole process designed by our RNSIT MBA.
And all this training made us possible to get opportunity in London Stock Exchange.
That's great guys. And all the best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.